Here are some tips to help you learn French. Start with the basics. Learn the French alphabet, basic grammar rules, and common phrases to start building your vocabulary. Practice regularly. Make sure to practice French every day, even if it's just for a few minutes. Consistency is key when it comes to language learning. Immerse yourself in the language, watch French movies, listen to French music, and read French books. This will help you get a feel for the language and improve your comprehension. Use language learning resources. There are many language learning resources available online and in print, such as language learning apps, textbooks, and podcasts. Find the ones that work best for you and use them regularly. Find a conversation partner. Practice speaking French with a native speaker or someone who is also learning the language. This will help you improve your pronunciation and grammar. Take a class. Consider taking a French class at a local language school or community college. This will provide you with structured learning and opportunities to practice with other students. Visit a French-speaking country. If possible, visit a French-speaking country to immerse yourself in the language and culture. This will help you improve your listening and speaking skills, and provide you with a deeper understanding of the language. Remember, learning a language takes time and effort. Be patient with yourself and celebrate your progress along the way.